Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are facing annoying issue in Minecraft. So if you are having a lots of FPS or frame per second dropping and you are noticing that the game isn't loading or lagging, let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. Now we are going to increase your performance to high guys. So that go to control panel and click here large icon. Scroll down, you need to select power option over here. Select it, and in here you need to select this show additional plans. Click on it, and here will be shown high performance. I already enabled it guys. uh, that's why that's in here. I in your PC that will be show additional plans here. You need to enable it high performance and close out of here. This will definitely help you to increase your performance guys. Second thing, go to search menu and type settings. Open it. If you having any pending update or you are using not updated up to date, that will properly working on the background, that can cause your gameplay lagging or FPS drop guys. So that you need to go to Windows Update and you need to update till you are up to date. That is fine. Why means you are playing games that will be running in the background guys, that's why I'm telling that. So that you need to update or stop it this Windows Update. Better you can update your Windows Update up to date. That wait guys, I'm having available updates guys. Security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. Click on it. If you have any available updates, you need to update that. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.